Right now, Bitcoin is creating a falling wedge, and in this exact video, I will be talking about this exact pattern. I will be talking about my next Bitcoin trading setup because Bitcoin has bounced significantly towards the upside, and right now I am getting ready for my next trade on Bitcoin. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out exactly what my next trade is going to be. So without any further ado, let's slap up those likes back above 500 and let's jump straight away in towards the content. And once looking at the 1 hour time frame, we can first of all see that on the 1 hour time frame we're creating a huge downtrend from off the top side, and ever since we created the downtrend we've been seeing 3 big rejections, and currently we are retesting this exact trend line yet again. And right now the question remains, are we going to be breaking above this key level resistance, or are we going to see a rejection? And at the same time, we are currently seeing that Bitcoin is running in towards this critical resistance range of this previous support target. So it's going to be important to see what is going to be next for Bitcoin. Are we going to get rejected, or are we going to see a break above this region? So that is first of all where I will be keep looking at. And if I'm willing to trade Bitcoin, actually I was yesterday planning to open up a long position on the retest of this horizontal range right here, because you can clearly see previous resistance right here. Once you break above it, you want to see this flipping into support, and like it did, it bounced from off this exact level. And also we're seeing that we did create somewhat of a double bottom, what means that this is definitely a bottoming structure on the even a short term. And on the 1 hour time frame, we are seeing a minor uptrend getting enabled and getting started. So the question really remains here is that if we are going to be breaking above this downward sloping trend line, if we do so, then I'm actually expecting a continuation towards the upside. And how you could be trading this is either on the retest of this level or either on the confirmed breakout of this level. But personally, I would like to do it on a retest. The reason why here is because currently also on the 4 hourly time frame, we are creating this insane downward sloping trend line, and you can see that we're getting rejected by it quite significantly. And if we confirm the breakout, and if we have that retest of this level, I am actually planning to be opening up a long position. Of course, I can't give you an exact M3 price target yet, because yeah, it really depends on when we're going to be breaking out and how we're going to be breaking out. But once I do open up my trade, I'm either going to show it on my Twitter, my Telegram, or I will make an emergency video here on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now, because then you're exactly going to staying up to date about when I'm going to be opening up my next trade. If I'm looking at the 4 hourly time frame, we can see that Bitcoin is creating a falling wedge here, and a falling wedge is a typical bullish bias reversal pattern with a price target on the top side somewhere around 23.9k. So that's here on the top side. So depending where we're going to be breaking out, let's say we're going to be breaking out today, it could be a move of about 8% towards the upside. What is absolutely a crazy opportunity in the price chart of Bitcoin right now. At the same time, we can see that we exactly bounced from the level of support I've been talking about. I've been talking many times about it. I unfortunately did close my long position yesterday in 38% profit, and just a few hours afterwards, it pushed further on towards the upside. I missed some gains. It's unfortunate, but still I am in another long position of Bitcoin. What is currently in about $34,000 in profit. So sometimes you just have to take profits, and like I always say, you're not going to lose money by taking profits. No one goes broke by taking profits, and that is why it's important to take profits along the way up here, and that's exactly what I did as well here. And right now I'm just waiting for the next opportunity to occur on the breakout of the falling wedge here. On the 4 hourly time frame, you can really see that we're currently in the mid side of the range, and I don't really like to trade the middle of the range. So for me also, I would like to see some more confirmations that we're maybe potentially breaking back above the top side range. If we do break above this region right here, it's really going to confirm for me, okay, right now I do want to be looking actually at the long position, because if we do break back above this region right here, it's likely to see a very fast continuation towards the upside. And in a second from now on, I'm going to show you the history from the 2019 bear market towards this bear market right now. It's very similar, and I think you should definitely pay attention towards that. So make sure to stick in the stream for that one. So make sure to stick in this video for that one, because I will discuss it in a minute from now on. But also looking at the 4 hourly time frame, we are currently creating that bullish divergence, and exactly like we've been predicting, on the top side we've been creating a bearish divergence, we move down. Right now we've been creating a bullish divergence, and we move towards the upside. So very nice to see how this is playing out. If you do want to be trading Bitcoin, or benefit from the volatility it's generating, you can trade Bitcoin yourself as well on Bybit or BitGet. And since there's of course a lot of fun on Binance, and if you're only trading on your Binance account, I should definitely make several accounts where you have your trading funds, because if one exchange goes bust, you won't lose all your money. And for me, Bybit has been very reliable. They show their proof of reserves one-on-one, and it's a very reliable exchange. So make sure to set up an account already before anything goes wrong at another exchange here. You also can get a 30k deposit bonus if you sign up using the link in the description. Make sure to check that out right now here. But then I quickly want to be talking about that golden cross here, right? And the previous bear market comparison. So you can see that we did have the golden cross on the Bitcoin price action. And ever since we got it, like you can see right here, we moved towards the downside. So we got the golden cross and we moved down. If I'm looking at the 2019 bear market, we got the golden cross right here. And what happened? We moved down. What happened afterwards? We consolidated for 5 days. And after that, we saw an insane rally towards the upside. What are we seeing right now? Consolidated for 4 to 5 days. And after that, we don't know yet. But that is very similar compared to the previous bear market bottom. The bear market bottom also had in the recovery phase a golden cross. Right now as well, we're having a golden cross. We had a dump on the golden cross. We're having the same right now. We consolidated on the lower side for 4 to 5 days. Exactly right here as well. So let's see what's going to be playing next. It's very, very interesting on how closely it is copying itself. And if I'm looking at this structure right here, it's a very similar structure. And that is why I think everyone should be paying attention towards the market right now, because the opportunities are huge. And you can also clearly see, I have been discussing it many times here on the channel. This is just a very likely level to hold on for Bitcoin. You can see big resistance, big resistance right here, flipping into support. If we do crash, if we do break below this level, I am definitely not going to be bullish on Bitcoin. I'm definitely going to turn bearish on Bitcoin, because then we're breaking below a key range of support. But as long as we're bouncing from it, it could still signal that we're going to see more continuations towards the upside. And also in the daily time frame, we have been seeing an insane bullish divergence getting confirmed right here. We are forming a higher low on the price action and a lower low on the RSI. And this is a huge bullish divergence, a hidden bullish divergence on the daily time frame for Bitcoin, and it's probably going to be having a massive effect here. And also looking then at the daily time frame for Bitcoin, this is absolutely crazy. We are seeing the downtrend ever since the all-time high of Bitcoin getting created for about 400 days. It suppressed the price action of Bitcoin ever since we broke above it. We right now are seeing a perfect retest of this exact level. And this is definitely very interesting to see. We're retesting a trend line that provided resistance for 400 days in a row, and right now we broke above it and we are retesting it as support. This is quite significant, and many people are not paying attention towards this level right here. So make sure that you do pay attention towards this important, crucial information that I just shared with you guys out there on the channel. So if you did like the content, don't forget to slap up the like button. But anyways, this was it for me on today's update video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. And you do know, if there's going to be anything important, I will jump live or make a video on my YouTube channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.